Yeah, we don't come. Make una share this video. Make una share this video. Make una share this video. We want play record. You see, Agbona. Okay, now when you say, Wagimaya, when you say, this advice goes to everybody, including me, the moderator this evening. Wagimaya, when you say, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. I mean, taiko miye dokpa. Igo emi ya wagmon. Igo ometi beje be emi ya. Iwe mi sena e omo bomase. I'm going to play some record this evening. I have a lot of record. With video no the other day. People are sending record. People are sending a lot of issues that have passed between them and Asaboro. You understand? But I don't know. Omaga even know why J. Or when you say you cannot have all this in your cupboard. And you will be fighting MC in your party, be fighting the hype man. And now start accusing them where in a movie cool. Melissa Pilodes, about Aproko, Okunoke Gold, original gold. Melissa Pilodes, I cite you. I bet me wanna share this video. I want play record. It's not good. I mean, take on me with Dokba or Ragmo Yagbe. But if you know you have skeleton in your cupboard, at least, like I said yesterday, is still what I'm here to say today. If you imagine here, explain on I did it on aswa abino or my ajigore we party, although give me here dorioza, don't party, don't deba evonidie party ni. Edo we a titine a zese dobo a zese fa a zese mieteme or de kama enena yakio. I don't know how I'm going to call it. It might be kama because there you I don't get it. Or my jigo rele we party inigo ye 100 ireno ye 150 inigo ye 250. No dossier problem no barak barina e record no wagwe me ma vie do record orere oge ki ya fefefe na desagmodo. For what reason? Okay, now let us play this record. Gimaka Swema. I'm going to play Obo video. Obo, my brother, don't still talk. I go play Obo video. If you know you are not clean, do something nimaya tiawe. Ewe minima doya zolowela dia. I'm going to play Obo video. Before Obo video, I want to play record here. How this woman was attacking prominent ladies. No die patioge. Me believe where bo e boy seti goma gwa na. There bo imai doma seti goma gwa. I don't know. TikTok, God bless you. Power tap, power tap, power tap. Facebook, share this video now if you want us to play this record. Facebook, just share now. Share if you want us to play this record. Yeah, what way?
Hello, Asaboro, we baby Ajebor.
Make una share am eti share am before I play am. If ni I send the gumesi, do se gbebe na Asaboro ya kiye. Beni awo we kiye. I knew you my sister Asaboro. I knew you my sister. If this is a problem because you have even know them ever doing where wavi juwe ku. O mono gwije we here. O money here. Ije no Asaboro no ma we. Ije no muwe adi mika only land. Ije no muwe adi rupa. Ebe ni joma kori so na wijoma gi joma. Asaboro. Ami jogie na wijoma gi joma. Ama wijwe kori on ima ya no tieve se aweti ijwe je Mosevo e France. Demi okpa ni ijwe kia uwe nu na tu ijwe kwa ni ijwe Asaboro. Imonu wega afyo tore vederi oni niga areva ni me. Usukmoni yen yana fiegbe we egba seve kuwe. Imoni ana do mieva hwe wi egbera we yen twa desagmo. Will you be happy? That is exactly what you are doing to your biological mother desagmo. You came out this evening and start say, Baba, thank you. Ijeme, thank you. No waya mume adi. Iju weni ya uwe tuwe we weni. I have the record of all these people sending it to me. Or two way ye ti mesi, or two way ti me ma de no jono, de nu pogeva, de nu simi no, or two what ya desagmo no bi ayehin. They talk to me about your attitude. Fine, I'm your family Nigeria, but for you not to have a word with your mother, for you are keeping mileage with your mother at this agbon, your personality is bigger than that. Your dignity is bigger than that. A God imaseye, a God or maseye, igo maseye, ije mo some at this agbon. After this, I want you to go and settle with your mother. I want people to share this video before I play this record. Look at the way you were commanding a lady of her own in the name of party. Oh, they maybe why they are invited to every party. Any may invite him at the party, Saloboa. Veni me yet polosena rameya we forget do here. If it over party me birthday of 50 years birthday. If we read the go. If makari poloso pe makari poloso ko runda Saloboa ton amu wagbon. Uga tobo wete buemu we no Saloboa mana gbase ju e baba na uga de ami eke we wagbon. Adesagbo uwe birthday party u ma gbe ejezi nu uyo uwe family party. They know a family party because you are told all this your friend that you are 50 something for close to 60, whereas you are celebrating 50. You are celebrating 50. Where I'm doing 50 years birthday. You say family birthday. What is family birthday? A prideness enough. What are you people going to get? All right, let us listen to this record. So please share this video. Let us listen to this record. Oh, Wameji, or see or we san way. Oh, Wameji, I don't come to your house to ask of this. People start sending things of you to me. And then I work with na twin na hive na twin. Ahwe mori edia de bedo baby ke or deni akpe or deni agwa kanya. I might choose to do, I might choose not. Because I'm in a roy, I'm just here to advise you as an adult sister. We have few new away with the disagmo. Few new away with the Oman Niema, Aji near Lude. Oman Niema, when you go the 1 million, people will not value you. People will not value you. Or when you go the Noragmonanu ya sewu, people will not value you. When you have lost that integrity in you, is exactly what you did on Saturday on your party. Nuna get MC Papilo of everybody. Una get do guan can party where MC Papilo guan na e help man na guan. Now instead of you to come out and say I apologize or my kemeya kigo eti we pay no bene do, you call on a platform of a moderator where MC say MC Papilo get us zo. MC Papilo no more who when we Ajebor at Desagbo. Did you remember where catch? Where you get to work Papilo na river e bon we tell say Papilo ni obukan akwenu tie boni ne a. O ma no don win anu we. Una ye tie boni se hai. Di go na rifine no ri siezo. Even if when a papilo work in or jack bay, but a papilo win a tamawe. Okay, if that is the argument, in go 100 year old we have a party, no you got a war. And then Aria Guima not a party where Aria Guia. Vos no man zest in a bere obeg God day. Not that you didn't see it. You see it, but you just want to prove stubborn. Uswave stubbornness na no so wa unero no life or proof or see and wanero word of it na. Nana me aga temok bia no moku wa or who no modo wa pita yo we ba yo do awa yo do we ni. Because if really two ok be are side where there you are this agmo. E no sunu na MC Papilo na do gonna tell sunu. The man will have called his fellow man. Ah, my brother, la my 7 year, calm down. Give my la one marry €100 na no. But because there were no man by your side, no husband, no boyfriend, no brother. They taught you where they are river ni equal fuck MC Papilo up video or another the hype man. Your brother will settle that bill. Because they know today you are a popular figure. They know where a woman has set all of their social media. But because no brother, no boyfriend, no egbakia, no husband. And this life without no boyfriend, no husband, no egbakia. Do you think that's life? Absolutely no. Absolutely no. A married man who came to MC your party. Una haye boni seke papilo. Papilo of everybody name you know woman. Look at the hype man. Who can't tell why the hype man of your one no. God, he get me mogi. He get me mogi, my sister. Eh, you are anya desa more dime a patini or except on an own done or can't we patini uma here. You tried. You tried. That party is a good party. You did well. But they not see no mana bere fana de no mana zese fana de sagbon. And I'm here de 250 plus papilo plus hype man. Una do rio zana, una do rio ge party we. I am disappointed in you. At your level, at your capacity. I don't know why you do it or maybe or no ya we but so can say social media you understand? But let me just leave this first. So near me, you watch this video. I know yesterday you were watching me live. Later, go and apologize to your mother. Very important. Or mono Ima gbije me ma gbera me. Omo ma keke no gbije gbera. You can have a word with your father, your mother wa. Ije oje beta be we okay we odo to the extent ugwijwa awegia. Not na me do ijwe we bedo majo. Your brother called me today. He said he's your brother. I don't know there not John Dene no. It's not good. What example are you showing? As a woman, you call yourself, you have integrity. What example are you saying? Very megijena na imai ho where igwije me no bia me wegi abedo. And I will say I have integrity. I will say to myself that I'm a personality person. Then ina gwije me wegi itwije me. It's not done. Charity begins at home. Before you call yourself a financial lady, make sure inside your house you have done your homework. At this album, you have not done your homework. You have not done your homework. Yes. You have not done your homework. You cannot be keeping malice with your biological mother who brought you to the light today. Ijoma, I call yourself a wijoma. Now, me say a godmother, I'm a biological mother for. Ijoma of your ijoma disagbo. Go and settle with your mother immediately. You don't know where a fana no rena no mike no kere. You might see the million, you might see millions in that party that day. But you never expect that this one will come up. You never expect it. Who knows? My God, it's really sad. Now let us listen to this audio record here. Let's go there.
Hello, Asaboro, we are the 12. We happy birthday, long life and prosperity. I wish you good time, good life, and more favor, more blessings in your life. Anyone mo bo wati by watama boya lao. I should be where get show. When I saw what that should be your ELWA, please. So that it was tamagmoya, it will be like a weakness where when so it will type a Facebook. Everyone sending you back home. You understand? When I saw you, bede boje wa TV news in agmola de ma on name. Avec that case Sonia, upon web bonia ye they would like to do their own way. Or say wa me ni able to deal with the rest or no break the rules. Me pitinia. And can me now when I safe. When I set rules, I set it. If you follow, understand? So now when you want your nakave or say when you la ogun kamia, o kwashe binia dem show they are sending them back. Or your sister la was security abuela we or send them back. Hijime no be me or breaking the rules will be sent back home. So I don't care if they don't want it.
Just listen to our desagmo. What they were na desagmo. Taoga hijime no be no. Yes, said hijime ariwa.
You be doing it.
Just noble.
Oh, joy the my joy. This is.
My people, I want to start this audio again. I want to share this video. And please, if you know the person she's referring to in this audio, write her name there. TikTok, we have about 600 watching on both sides, TikTok, Facebook. If you know the person that she's referring to, write the name of the person here, TikTok or Facebook. Write the name of the person here. The person that she's referring to, write the name of the person here. Let's go.
Your life. Anyone mo bo wati by watama boya lao. Ashe elu Asaboro we be aje.
Obota madam face.
Well, me we be the happy birthday, long life and prosperity. For you. I wish you good time, good life, and more favor, more blessings in your life. Anyone mo bo wati by watama boya lao. Ashe be we get show. When I saw what that should be your ELWA, please. So that it was tamagmoya, it will be like a weakness where when so it will type a Facebook. Everyone sending you back home. You understand? When I saw you, bede boje wa TV news in agmola de ma on name. Avec that case Sonia, upon web bonia ye they would like to do their own way. Or say wa me ni able to deal with the rest or no break the rules. Me pitinia. And can me now when I safe. When I set rules, I set it. If you follow, understand? So now when you want your nakave or say when you la ogun kamia, o kwashe binia dem show they are sending them back. Or your sister la was security abuela we or send them back. Hijime no be me or breaking the rules will be sent back home. So I don't care if they don't want it camera carry o. Keke no care we no rese. Or say na wa ko tamak moyana. Let your ashebi be shown. Maybe ke west down will be even more better. Or full ashebi on your body. Me amoda ashebi nye melue. Yeah, Deba. So when I say ya over Sabia Mowere, I don't need that for my party. Money party, mo gwalebe no GA. Understand? So I say, man, we party, you want to follow the protocol or rules. So when someone is coming to my party, I must follow up. It will be a disaster. Ne do yewi matami ya la wo gumebe kamiya wo dodo. Lao ko wesi. Sabo Ajebor, thanks so much and God bless you. Lao. Ashebi has to be more shown when we have a boy here. So a rules is rules, and I'll be saying it. Or say now we compulsory Ashebi ahaya lawa bere. Ashebi ma show we be damis. O manda Ashebi oya duemu. Elawa, pano ma show understand. Energy. Notice well. I prepare way for now. Take care. Bye bye.
All right. I can't see people sharing this video, but that's not going to stop me not to continue the record. I'll continue the record. Facebook and TikTok, please. It means una never know the lady where she refer to here. Because I ask you, if you know the lady that she's referring to, tap the name of the lady there. Tap the name of the lady there. Okay, then we want to continue other record again because the lady now reply her. So before you tap that name, let me quickly use 1 minute to put this aside. Please, for those of you going home January, and you decide to lodge in a comfortable hotel, Ehinola Hotel, TikTok, Facebook, Ehinola Hotel. This hotel is located in Enya community. Hotel full with security, 24 hours electricity, enough space for you to park. Hotel with swimming pool. Hotel with a disco nightclub. Hotel with a live musician stage. It's 24 hours fun in this hotel. You will have your phone. You will never regret it. Please, there is a discount. There is a discount now. Ehinola Hotel. Call now and reserve your big room there, your VIP room. With my name, I will give you the manager number or the secretary number. When you mention my name, you are going to have a discount. Ehinola Hotel. Ehinola Hotel is the biggest hotel now in Nigeria at large. Yes, if you reach there, not be waiting at the talk for media, now you see there. From there, they call me, they're going to give you your money back. I mean, talk am. Okay, I have a time when you have your my beg now.
We are positioning the camera.
There's no way I can boy position the camera. Yeah, position yourself. It's okay, it's no problem. You know. And you are dating by a handsome of you. While we say, oh, yeah, while we're money there, TikTok, while we say, who you are me? No, for now, it's okay, my wife. Yes, Ehinola Hotel. Ehinola Hotel. Ehinola Hotel. So let's go. So nobody tap the lady name here. Be you don't know the lady. Okay, more go. More play the reply. Let's go.
Hello, come on me. Come on me, Laura. Come on me to worry yourself. Come on me. On me wa shebi no ro when me da shebi, but ma o me ma show you me design more. Cause ma kata o ime iwe so far ade ide wa we no ye be ke wo wa na vi me video ere wo wa ya video e o wa ro wa we na guana me we me aya yo ni be sister o be when right from beginning ge ma be ye destiny anate ka de na we tin ya yo go me design on before mana ikedu to popa. So ime na wo ke ya Nigeria ya se gan we ya join party iwa okay normal simple style because for go me attention seeker ya say ya design mo o ma show ni kawata ne o ma show ya design ma yin so mama de show your destiny even godmother maybe he send this time again o ma de show at all iwa ya fia na wa we nya wa viole le upome ni jo because of FaceTime where you need the party na wo koma iwa ya attention seeker then not by joy you be ya supmo we had wa January 9 years normal e gan we you know simple gan you might be wo so ikata so
send me request
me maya say a full gan ototo so odoku na gboya but iye-eki me wa show iye-eki awa mu iye-eki but to that when we our bido that our bido that o kakabo so me bido that o ma show iye-eki na wa show kekebe na we our pocket ye trouser ni jo combination so very expensive clothes here, you know. Go get a supmo me. Your destiny, I sold my clothes with 500,000 naira. So I say 500,000 ya supmo me. So no. What's the mommy? What's it? Okay, man, okay, my okay, me the pieces no carry or rowa, carry lobo, or why you rowa, the palo, or when you have video,
Power tap for me for TikTok, I beg.
No, what's the mommy? Ugo me. Although we get ticket, no, tell you, boy, you go, na me na ikene ya kwanyo ware so ni get the temi no gume iso 30 no me na again what's
wait, please, are you guys hearing this record or not? I want you people to pick something out of it. We have close to 700 watching now, both shining together. So don't tell me at the end of the day you are not going to see the reason I am playing this record, because I can see the comment is moving, but I don't know if you guys are really listening and understanding the record. Epa Ajebor, the enjoyment king. Oh, my brother, good. Thank you very much. Osarime, thank you very much. Wahia Wawe said you we enjoy. Thank you very much. Einola Hotel is the best now in Benin City. God bless you, Jerry Collins. Uju Ami. Einola Hotel, Sandra John, I cite you. Unoma Osas, we are here, sir. Oh, God bless you. Now, TikTok, God bless you. I beg Mona power tap for me for TikTok. I beg Mona power tap. I beg. So now let's continue. Although say una never see know the lady where she did talk to her and wait the lady where they reply her. Okay, no problem. Let's go again.
Hello, Chacha. We are good as she be. What ya when ya we go? And we name salary the me we business buy. We are good as she be. He tied 24/7 on my shutter and all. Without a she be no entry. We are do you povere we are expect we are. Bata ya cancel ticket we here time na ya we there you are here with somebody woman ya shebi me I no one care will be the person when ya we no I'm sending you home so why are one ya 7 or ya say let's get to answer your blast your whatever no ya say to show that she we are move for you what can you say
it's time no we saying always time you say you feel
yes you know we man like a video ni
we man like you know yan party okay
no self-fool
or I ma self-fool no ya cancel a ticket or any day
near the dogare in send her home Adomano Gugwana is also a lady of herself. So me my dom even ya invite one every party we bona. Cause I don't understand how somebody will be addressing your invitees. Omani Gugwan. Hey, Chacha no re London Gugwan. Hey, Lady Chacha no re London Gugwan. Lady Chacha no re UK or Gugwan. Lady Chacha no reply but no re UK or Gugwan. O plan again.
Hello, Chacha. We are good as she be.
When man hello Chacha.
When ya we go. And we name salary the me we business buy. We are good as she be. He tied 24/7 on my shutter and all. Without a she be no entry. We are do you Bata ya cancel ticket we here time na Hello, Chacha. We are good as she be. What ya when ya we go. And we name salary the me we business buy. We are good as she be. He tied 24/7 on my shutter and all. Without a she be no entry. We are do you povere we are expect we are lawa. Ola wa. Bata ya cancel ticket we here time na ya we. There you are.
No do money we no cancel ticket. Ya soup
no ya cancel a ticket. E pa tu weni na wow. Whatever.
Emi bugbe no wa desagmo my sister.
Wa mo je bai. Won ya wan me wa. Akela wa. Na wow.
Ale gbe pe. Adesagmo gun na.
Hello, Chacha. We are good as she be. What ya when ya we go.
Wow.
And we name salary the me we business buy. We are good as she be. He tied 24/7 on my shutter and all. Without a she be no entry. We are do you povere we are expect we are lawa. Ola wa. Bata ya cancel ticket we here time na ya we. There you are. Here with somebody woman ya she be me. I no one care will be the person when you we no. I'm sending you home. So why are one ya 7 or ya say This get one sell your blast your whatever when I say to show. Oh, that shebo ya move for you. What are you saying? In a way, well, my own just should be married. Well, my own just should be married.
Hey, Julia Superstar, aka Money Nanyagam, UK base. I cite you, my daughter. How are you? Aproko. Julia Superstar. How are you? Koyo.
In a way, my own just should be married like women. More like cool, more pay or more pay. They sit at home. You understand? So I don't know when I'm with proof Google and Nania. Because walking live is not allowed.
Oh, walking live.
I want to pay that should be when I get my yaya should be my head. You know the same. You go use all that clock come and should be where I design. I don't need that like that to area to prevent to send you back. What do I wear? I do the ticket you carry area because I don't want anybody to wear gospel. I want not I should be yourself from head to toe. What is wrong with you? Why is them we're telling me?
Oh, what is wrong with you?
We are party do our own starter. You use a shaping your design, baby. What are you saying? The real chocha, provoking me, there. Provoking me, there now. Every
or Momona sister.
I want to carry nanas, when you were no book.
And I put one of 500,000 anyway, myself food.
Ever ask me
to
time. And we're telling me be aware with social media.
All right. Now, case of somebody is saying, please, the starting again. I'm going to play it once again. I'm not going to, because of it, to start repeating it. Okay? Sit down and listen. Okay? Sit down and listen. So, guys on TikTok, good work on TikTok. I can see you guys are really giving me power tap on TikTok. Thank you. Please continue to power tap on TikTok. Continue. Then the Facebook share. Let's go.
Hello, Asaboro. We are here. The 12. The happy birthday, long life and prosperity. Koyo, I wish you good time, good life, and more favor, more blessings in your life. Anyone more about here, buy what time I go, yalao. I should be where get show. When I saw what I should be in your ear way, please. So that you are tamagmoya, it will be like a witness where when I saw it will type a Facebook. Everyone send you back home. You understand? When I saw you,
as if you are talking to children. As if you are talking to children.
They would like to do their own way. Oh, see, I'm able to deal with the rest or no break the rules. Maybe and can me now when I safe. When I set rules, I set it. If you follow, you understand? So now when you want your nakare or say when you la ogumeka mia, okma shebinia them show they are sending them back. Or your sister la was security abuela where or send them back. He may not be me or breaking the rules will be sent back home. So I don't care if they don't want to camera carry o.
I'm a woman invite you.
Let your ashe be shown. Down with even more babe.
Ijwe gemi oja desagbo. I go agwan on logo ba. A desagbo. Okay nile matama usakan be. You value property more than your mother, because if you are not a woman who value gold more than your mother, you can't use your mother. You can't use your mother to make a parable in this dirty conversation. Uwo when oga ijwe no bi we no oga lie ho no said there with a be. The party no ana said ijwe with a bad desagbo. Adesagbo the party no ana said ijwe with a be. Ubege onaka. Onaka, onona, aha. A police evaluation in Europe now wise is Africa. You always see two police inside the car in Europe. Okpa me peace. They too more double wa, or they too make back here, or they too make boyfriend. Attitude you wena. Anyway, when I more double one, because when you are tossing here this argument. How will you use your biological mother as an example in this nonsense conversation because of your bed, your party? Or when no BMN no, or not live, I will send her back. Iju wewe gugwa nyana. Iju we ma bi wewe have go to yek back this ag. I just ag money fear is about we. Ya boy. When me gina we. Why are you disrespecting your mother to this extent? Will you accept it? We accept it. I urge you to respect your mother to the call. Ama we ijo bio go bio adesagmo. Ije no bio adesagmo. When I go me go say we ijwe musegbe. I we ijwe win on a person with France. Ijo bio go abi ma. I dey respect ama we ije no bio ijo dafe no. Ijo mu we la webo. Una do ajijwe zere wa we chacha go. Wa we chacha no re UK go na ajijwe zere you we e o kon no ga ije me no. They will send her back. How dare you? Unyive na oya ya gbe egbo ne hype ma agin do ase no ase una view behavior your wow. Okwo no mo nyime aka gbopia o ka gbopia obia. Okwo no mo nyime adesagbo. Okwo no mo nyime o ka gbopia utonbo mu gbopia obi adesagbo. It means you don't have attitude. Because if you have attitude, there's not how much of the sin that man must have create. No kato bomu no belbi. Unwa ya gwe begwa. Because okbiana hina oma mo wa make girlfriend. But because you don't have this attitude, you don't have manner of approach. You don't have respect for people. That is why you could lay a hand, your hand, and hit a man first. They talk be na be feel we na una afia ho o ma feel we ya gie no do know we go una salu be vane. Ade sagmo. We ga nya Nigeria we awa we be no we una. Ama we wo nya Nigeria. Ijwe no mu we de we bo ijwe ye tota ijwe ma yo we gbo we France. We na mure no doje ki odo ya covid wa mi OKPAMEN mi vanu me wo awa gbeli bi do ya wa be webo ori gbelu bi ye wo ya o adisagbo second time atana wa yin mi ju ori ju eni tawo wa beg your mother o e unyive nu nyina a we da ijoma emebe ni je korion se nu doji je me wi juwe. Or you cannot be having conversation, dirty conversation or come we are or guy Jemen I will send her home. How dare you?
Oh, wow.
Now wow my wife now. Do I have a conversation? Have where a conversation wo one or maybe wo gwa. E na ya go Satan una ijue una jijue to wake us anywhere. Ijue is nothing before you.
Press record wa gwan wa see ajose.
Owa press record wa gwan you see ajose. And iju we mu iju gboto na ebu. Okay, adesa go ask yourself na be record na yala dia na. Nebu ya na do na wu iju ebu we one way. DJ me we na hoe for. Look at. Did you know that this record will play out any day? No. Oh, si no na keke unyime na. Ayin yo salobwa no gba no ma. Asagmo wo nyime. Ije no bio wana dobo o mana mama nyime. O mari ma we no we go nyime. Look at your attitude. You are just telling the whole world that this is just me. It is say. Enyo vioma here and we una obugbene. Ene na enyo vioma. Emi o no ge okpa we mi awa. Even we una zo ye do adesagmo to your personality, to your integrity. In fact, emi awa una. Oh, that's not the banana. Now we all near we more tired you no.
And good life and more favor, more blessings in your life. anyone mo bo wati by watama gbo ya lao ashebi we get show when my so awada shebi yan elue please so that he watama gbo ya it will be like a weakness where it when so it will type Facebook everyone send him back home. You understand when my Sonia Vede boje wa TV news ni agbon la de ma on name avec dake Sonia upon a web boni ye they would like to do their own way or see wa mi ni able to deal with the rest or no break the rules me pitinia and can me now when I self when I set rules I set it if ya follow. Understand? So now when you want your nakare or say when la ogun can me
so the black Nigerians
them show they are sending them back. Or your sister la was security abuela we or send them back. He no be me or breaking the rules will be sent back home.
Mama Tanaviedo. If you do more time, I'm wahori more to more for seta. I just add more one.
Am I invited?
Ijwe na uma invite iwe. Una yebe di osa yebe gijwe. Uma invite be una yebe fi no gie. Ijwe o we. Uma invite iwe. Uma hewe. Una yebe ya zolo viere una ya di osa gie wa bo se we be gun. O ga ijime no nyegbe bi me. Agbona iwa keke baba.
Ebo deal with the rest or no break the rules. Me pitinia.
Yo.
And can me now when I self.
Uwebu.
When I set rules, I set it. If ya follow. Understand? So now when you want your nakare or say when no la ogun can me o kwa shebinia them show they are sending them back. Or your sister la was security abuela we or send them back. He may not be me or breaking the rules will be sent back home. So I don't care if they don't want any camera carry o. Keke no care we no rese. O se na wa ko tama.
Adesagbo. O ma no ke Canada adie party me. Igi mio ona ye beti mio saloboa. Is a younger brother to me. But igi mio ma be ni awena we una ke Canada the ticket. Hero magume vigwe yo to yakmo. But God know my heart that in my way I appreciate it. Imanike Ireland did the same thing. When I was going Emmanuel invite now you don't care where it's coming from at this agmo. And why I invite or remember because you party next year at this agmo. And in where I invite or remember at this agmo. Because you only need I invite ever. I make bonnet there. Okay, command on a
what Udukman say 500,000. Umana say fully no show say big boy.
Don't come.
They will send you back. No matter I can look at the ticket, you are going back. Honora jail. Only a home. Only a home. Only a home law. On who article no muyo.
Mulati no vije me walare. Obo hake. Iwe no walare ti wa.
Oh wow.
It might be make boga this
where they give a whole
grown up woman. Cha lady cha where the UK. Now you talking her name here. Lare watamame de lady cha ye yikuni. Wagume de lady cha ye yikuni. Let's go.
It's rules I set it. So now when you want your nakare or say when la ogun can me o kwa shebinia them show they are sending them back. Or your sister la was security abuela we or send them back. He may not be me or breaking the rules will be sent back home.
Oh God.
So I don't care if they don't want any camera carry o. Let your Ashebe be shown. Maybe can waste down will be even more better off. Ashebe on your body. Me amo that Ashebe nye melue. Yeah, doeba. So even say ya over sabi ya mo. I don't need that for my party. Mo nye party mo gwalele no jie. Understand? So I say, we party, we follow the protocol or rules. So when someone is coming to my party, I follow up. It will be a disaster. Near the year matter me allow we can be for Wesley. So Ajebor, thanks so much and God bless you. Now, Ashebi has to be more shown when we have a boy here. So a rules is rules, and I'll be saying it. Or say now we compulsory Ashebi ahaya lawa bere. Ashebi ma show we be that means o ma da Ashebi oya duemu. Elawa. Pano ma show understand. Energy. Notice well. I prepare way for now. Take care. Bye bye.
Wow.
Adesagbon rijwa uwe orijwe mesoji wo. Adesagbon rijwa wu. Una wa mujwe gboto we nyana we record.
Wow.
Ijwe. Mo listen to Chacha.
Conditioning me azena ma we fun. So pa yo ma fe we ko to ta you do. Ah? Iwa egu edupon udo tama me ya se me ya design even me atam we din ayo kere afo we ya fele we dey paint
Ayo kere no pun
isha emune asola kwa wa we ayo kere afele kwa ototo
TikTok, thank you very much. I've been power tap for me. TikTok, God bless you, they do best. Please, you'll get almost 800 watching now for the both channel.
Let me say 250.
Okay, now Cynthia be her name. Cynthia Adesagbon.
God forbid.
Abiros Adesagbon. What is her name?
No.
Oh yeah, Chacha reply.
Hello, come on me. Come on me, Laura. Come on me. Come on me. On your Ashebi no wrong. When me Dashebi, but ma show you me design more. Cause umakata or ime wezo fa ade ide
wa we no hona tano hona songene just we off other design.
Oh, am I so you like any one with full lace? A lace na me like a lace na one more lace ni. O say okay mama I don't need. Now I say about that because you like it was go design a lace. Understand? Okay, a little lace ni ga we dey do na. Only jai on our design on we are in Nigeria. You know tell you we na me on.
Okay, the Chacha tamana na.
Okay. Ogwe ya in Nigeria. Ogu money ye only ye lu for 50 ya say a star away. Okay. But all on the na in a feel loge jewelry. Okay. You now reply well. Ne try.
The man reply ne try Rose. Only you Rose Adesagbon.
We ma dupon in a safe fo. No do feel say no ya ko lawa. No matter I can okay din on the flight ticket or where it be. Now
what? My brother go make me record in an okay.
Now wow.
Okay, Adesagbon is her father name. Ah, thank you. Oh, itie Rose waregui mare Adesagbon e nieruwa waregui o wa forgive him. Rose. Echo Star nijwa we. Nunari ogo nijwe. Echo Star.
Hello, come on me. Come on me, Laura. Come on me to worry yourself. Come on me. On your Ashebi no wrong. When me Dashebi, but ma show you me design more. Cause umakata or ime wezo fa ade ide wa we no ye ke wa na vi me video ere wo wa ye video yo waro wa we na guana. Me we me aya yo ni be sister we when right from beginning ge ma be ye destiny anateka then na wetin ya yo go me design on before mana ikedu to popa so ime na wo ke ya Nigeria ya se gan we ya jo are party we okay normal simple style because for go me attention sika ya se ya design mo o ma show ni kawata ne o ma show ya design ma yin So my mother they show your destiny when godmother maybe he send this time again. Your mother they show at all. Iwa ya fiana wa when ya wa viole le ukmome nijo because of FaceTime anywhere when the party na wo koma. Iwa ya satesho sika then not by joy. You be ya sukmo we adu wa January 9 years normal a gang you know simple gang you might be okay. So ikata so go me on my show with me maya say a full gown toto so oduku na boya but iye-eki me wa show iye-eki awa mu iye-eki but to da when we ta wa bido da wa bido da o kakabo so me bido da o ma show iye-eki na wa show keke we na we our pocket ye trouser ni jo combination ise so very expensive clothes here, you know. Go get a soup moment. Your destiny, I sold my clothes with 500,000 naira. So, 500,000 yasup.
You go na ya do more.
So, what's the mommy? What's it? Okay, man, he carry my argument. The pieces no carry or rowa, carry lovo, or why you rowa, ripalo. Now, when you have video,
God bless you, Vicky. Vicky, God bless you. Let me attend to that question. Oh, we a date ticket. We move hotel ne. I this agmo na we negeri.
He saw that.
You want this agmo rose?
Hello.
Autonoma never Vicky. God bless you. Me myself want ask. I bet which style they call attention seeker?
Attention seeker will be a style ni. You feel always you feel it.
Okay, only attention seeker.
Wa be you look money. Understand? So it be a video no.
Oh, attention seeker.
Wa be or you look money. Wa be but a full cloth in your or explain any. On that we do that we give no attention seeker.
Ne na lo English ne attention seeker only me honey me.
Attention seeker.
I be me asuk mo wa ko attention seeker I only say.
Why asuk me attention seeker? O money ki iye-eki we na ya design e.
Okay. Okay, let's go now. Let us.
Where is attention seeker?
Attention seeker.
Hello, come on.
Hello, Chacha. Hello, Chacha. We are good as be. What ya when ya we go? And we like salary the me we business by. We are good as be. It tied 24/7 on my shutter and all. Without a be no entry. We are doing povere. We are expect we are la wa. Ola wa. Pata ya cancel ticket where here time.
Oh, we know ya pata ya cancel ticket. O ma je win a date. Osaiti Rose. Or I say dollar ke. Nuna. Or I say €100 ke. Emi nuna. Deni na me ukpo me gbera. Adwati ogun ti ne. Ya we ya di uti we gbe. A chacha no re UK or give the ticket ne. Una we no ya cancel ticket we the chacha ya cancel ticket Uwe do ma cancel ticket we setila we patiru dago se attention seeker. Uwe to keke no wase na wa bere fo na wa be ya bo sunu na. Vene party ya to service shegene so do mana e mwe gena de we celebrate ma o worry mi vie na ja no oro a dai boy na ajojo ade chacha
ni yari ba ni na se ni
o de iku we ya ali kunirie hevoa
no mi ya we uma se me ere
o sare ti rosi iku we ni ya alari hevoa o sare ti ku ni eme in aga la because it ties na we a video na do na idori bude na we tie mi okpama we o se ni wa gunu we sinye me ikuwe uwe the ticket ni we wa finish ni wa ya kan we kine ne salobo agi ya bi akon you were talking to Chacha in that manner
ma dupo funi we tamia ni asi
o ma dupo no we ni asi o ma ni we ye ya say attention seeker. Or we equal attention seeker, manager you are going to cancel your ticket or lie ho. Or do Chacha if you don't understand me. Or no, they are sending my mother back home. Chacha. Now please, I want everybody to do find out for me if Chacha still attend this party. Be na guana na awo woko ma akpama eso wa we na guana party na for Saturday. Ya Tony mama si.
Only why young.
Owo ko pe akpama eso wa na wi ko ni Jordafin ahie na egun no bia agwa. Be na guana e ma ni kama me si o we fo no ko majo. E fo no ko majo salobo ya gemi sunu mama neru ni. Vo ko ni agi ikwe eros ifo na we de Saturday. Oi bike o keno ho ni so wa no the Monday. Night Tuesday o gba la time o wo kin ma so wa. O wi ye ga iko e go mare wa ku e o wa ga mi ya we fe o wi ado so ni o kin ni so. O gba so na ya wa gwo wo kan be o te. O wa re fo hu. O we swear o we no ho are no wi o da fo me no ma mi abebo ya gbebo. Oh, we no swagger vano.
My brother, we had to bully power. We're cool. You know,
oh, we get it. Oh, we get it. What told me, Legacy? What on a marry to me? Equal so for Jonah, who never allowed it. Eh, Shasha, Lodos, William, about Willow Dodgy. But chacha majo wow, chacha majo wa. Ya take easy. Weso bijeme. O kuona no ki kwero sikpa ro society or as $1 ke. Or as $100 ke. O kwo ki kuwe pa na wo ma eso wada fun e ogunmegun ase awo pe aba. Oni he o pe an owu efo. Oh, wefo. Ni mega kama ina we maybe to wefo for. Oh, when you get target to wefo for, and they to wefo for one market also one no da me ya wefe. Na wa we ni tama we. Ina we ro wa ke gi opari ku. Ori wefo na wona iko wo pe a. Na abu na wo zuo no mako. Why when you we no setting so why o say okay fine when we say aneni o ikunayo be Saturday ma kama we Sunday keke no arowa Sunday for Monday for when agwana na amami ohuo ikweros ohuo na re o ikweros society o wi ga ko mare wa hwe agado so ni owo kinye we social media no mi owo kinye no ya we wese bele si ekime kami mewe iya wa akofo ko ri we hotel no mafo eli ba aso esin o ni agbe na se ore si ewon ya mi ne won na se ore si wa ha ge wa we have petrol hotel yi mo se owo se bi ni ma ni ga tai ma ni to bo we ata owu won ga be hotel na me yo mo se ma hey man, you have a complain your word. Who may when me or tell me you drop in it. More a car of your dear. Oh, me masun dia wa baby hotel. Or what if who? Ah, I think be an bena no shave man. Any more. Ya lo shebe. Ya mama. Ya mere ari wa. Ya like wereria. Abi ya lo shebe ma. Yo pollo. Yo pollo. Yo pollo va le o kame. Enyo wa mo ho ni na. Agbe azaza ene anya le pante o got your white pants. Or what can hula water for our tour, carry attention of a working of Zalda, or was out that bedroom. Oh, they are quickly. Oh, oh, even then, but la wani. Never no liable. He had also pretended who no enigma. Ye ba yan na do ewe be ni ewe no ma gbare ni o ma ke no da fin e yo bo kan yen
okay was out that ya
oh de betu ko yen fi o wela wa ni na kan na party iro akara I'm better will tell me a partner sing. What talk, baby? He might be recording me for. Hello, AJ.
If you have a una,
wetin happen? Èmi lọ pa ma sunu mama ho accident so sa boy get accident sunu ya wa gbe ibe hotel is the truth of the matter. Ya gbe èmi lọ pa ma sunu tin ya wa gbe. Order for every time owe wo pa owe to fi awe party no say ha. Vo ko no ri ko pa wo kan gu fi party no say as a party no say na order for eternity. Bye. The truth of the matter na but why a good travel of your party not say never a party Saturday pa a party Saturday or you Sunday of your party ne ya say work back stay or you not pa stay or you not pa the mouth the mouth that won't die. I have to say what the man said because I when I was one of your only so what man if you must know or one yana mupa
we are not sure getting a die here though
vele man ya go e man e believe where other all here or here wa bole
they open where all you want
they remember where you wa me kai where you wa ovi edi ma wa hu e o wa ga ize ko maro o we aka ma ni do type social media ni swe ni o here na gbon so egbo pe ave do confirm ele na where maybe egbo ko we do ka go egun a o ko ni he me won ko ni bunye ho. How woman go party on Saturday, Sunday, you never reach us. Yesterday morning, you never reach us. Check on her.
Wow.
So, only my area now, but the truth of the matter, no raw matter now. Oh, you know. I'm more bien. I can't play the record though.
Come on, me louder. Come on, me to why we say what on. Come on, me. Me wa shebi no ro when me da shebi, but ma o me ma show you me design more. Cause ma kata o me we so far ade ide wa we no ye be ke wo wa na vi me video ere wo wa ya video e o wa we na gwana. Me we me aya yo ni be assist we when right from beginning ge ma be ye destiny anatika then na wetin ya go me design on before mana ikedu to popa. So ime na woke ya Nigeria ya say gan we ajo are party iwa woke normal simple style because for go me attention sika ya say ya design mo o ma show ni ka wata ne o ma show ya design ma yin so mama de show your destiny when godmother maybe he send this time again mama de show at all iwa ya fia na wa when ya wa violile okmome ni jo because of FaceTime anywhere we need the party na wo come ni wa ya satesho sika then not by joy we be ya sukmo we adu wa be January na year say normal e gan be you know
na ya we
simple gan you might be okay. So ikata so gume o ma show we gbe me ma ya say a full gan ototo so odugu na boya but iye-eki me o wa show iye-eki awa mu iye-eki but to da when we ta wa bido da kakabo so I me bido da o ma show iye-eki na wa show
Sarah thank you
na we will pocket ye trouser ni jo combination so very expensive clothes here, you know. Go get a soup, destiny. I sold my clothes with 500,000 naira. So I say 500,000 soup, so no. What's the mommy? What's okay, man? He carry my argument. The pieces no carry or rover.
Power time for me for TikTok now.
Video. What's the mommy?
beg, muna power tap now. My video they block for TikTok. Muna power tap, I beg.
Let me like me ya kwanyo worry. So nigga di temi no ume. He saw touch no. Me announce again. What's it?
Hello, Chocha. We are good dashebi. What ya when ya go? In we nine salary the me we business buy. We are good dashebi. He tied 24/7 on my shutter and all. Without dashebi, no entry. We are dojo povere. We are expect we are la wa. Ola wa. Bata ya cancel ticket we here time na. We are we. And then you are re. Yeah, with somebody, woman ya shebi me. I no one care will be the person when you are no. I'm sending you home. So why are one year?
I don't care of about the person or when or way. I am sending you home. This is a person who lets you know that she has bought a ticket. She sold this cloth with 500,000. The amount she used to bought this cloth from you is not there. And you have the guts to say, even if it is you, I am sending you back home. Osai, area my sister, ya dolu nyimeji. Saitin dolu nyimeji. Igo, oma megwe mo nyime. Emoji vu webu saitin. Emoji vu webu. At all. Unimo mona tayo vele lavo doka veno je. Okbe anoti emesin. Ore go egedian meni egugun. Meme we mene we no tama me we na wagwana. If I have any my boy egwana ya vi obo keke we hotel. Toma tafo. Because of my trust talk warning. Then what do you want me to say? Or woman I don't tell vie okpovie agije. Agagele wena murukpa ge be no ge mato salobwa. Okwonoji kuve Saturday Sunday o make no say business. Be phone agudo yoyi. Okwono mo charger mo mi yapa. And adwa analyze na okwo party ne. Abi party no sisen. Bo ge party ya wo ya party ne bo weku. La wo saitin dolu nyimeji. This your attitude when you continue like this, people will not come back to your party again. I will party now where this is the last party. Or last party or saitin. But this attitude that you are presenting now to people, except when we are comedy here, do we see? This is very bad of you. It does not show your good reputation. It does not show the capacity woman you call yourself. If you don't value, try to value people. Lady Shasha who based in UK is not a crayfish woman. Lady Shasha get level. Lady Shasha where they base for UK where you they talk to so. It not be if I Lady Shasha who were more sayas and because if not so she can't talk to you in this manner. Because I don't wear omonamu iye-eki. When so you log wake see me na my do your body me. Amaye no sooner because ne go to yanagmoya lunana or walking mokpa me wamage boru cause wamoji mo ukameno uwe peti na avyo we peti of yoyi o no riro na awe so tia boru awe so tia rent because I don't know how somebody will so conjure and bring herself so low to a decent woman like her to the extent you saw a cloth for 500,000. Even your dash will be about 140. Ude ticket in there. Then the woman is telling you where you might like attention sikani. Very if you come, I don't care if it is you. I'm going to send you back home. Just go and cancel your ticket. Now, what do you mean? Are you still telling me that you still attend that party? I have sent messages to go and view that party. They chacha ye yikuni. When I go where you take more ariku. You honor people, you respect them before you invite them. You can't just invite people and start insulting people to come to your party. Tomorrow, imonu be a yewe society. You don't do like this. Wagelo den waria ewa. Wega weveri oni. O ma be akan wa kwen weri ma jogo site we dog nyi me no nyi ma ri ogo no na ma do na ave weri oni. Ve na gwani me ye pon me bo no ri party me. Ade gbe kin agwo me ni ge pon mi yan. Lu da do wo pon me se wa gbon. O we na we yan we. Iga ya je se ni je me uge loveti re kin e kabo si o e. Aria na si me ya pon me ni fo. Ise ti jo weri lese ni awo. Imani bu. De gboko we de do aka ma ebe de yo. O ko ni mekana. Ni me wati loveti mekana. Vo dukmo me vo so wa. In a dukmo we mu in Nigeria. Omaja shebo ya adikume. Do you know how many people who bought my shobi no maja shobi adikume?
Mama Jemmy be there.
Mama Jemmy there ikwe ajebi marede omaja shobi adikume. Mother loveti mekana awa dukmo yemu omajore. Ima bu no wa de no ma de riku. Ima bu no de no riku. In amaja shobi beti. Madole ni agbuna we because I want people to see say everybody wear their shobi. No, ugume dene only me pome weji. But una certain joy is my pleasure. Uma ive joy, any do why we send you back home. Come on. Who is a baby here? Osati, who is a baby here? So I'm not happy with you, my Edo sister, Osati. I'm really disappointed in your attitude. Jesus.
Hello, Chocha. We are good dashebi. What ya when ya wingo? In salary the me we business buy. We are good dashebi. It tie 24/7 on my shutter and up. Without dashebi, no entry. We are do you povere. We are expect we are lawa. Ola wa. Bata ya cancel ticket we here time na. Ya we. There you are. Yeah, where somebody woman ya shebi me, and no one care will be the person when ya wa no. I'm sending you home.
Imagine.
So why are 1 year ya 7 or ya say let's get to answer your blast your whatever or ya say to show. Oh that shebu ya move for you what are you saying? In a way wo ma wonu ya shebi married.
Egbe ni etana. Egbe mi metaba no ye ni mama loveti we do na do okmomo. The iye ya grobo yere wa dun okmomo me ya grobo we. So ya wa do okmo he je ade na e de the life party ne.
E mama Jennifer ma yewe dogima.
O majore?
You know like ojore.
No like ojore. God bless you we what about we mama Jennifer dogima but o majore no like ojore. Just where eniena wa woni ani e ya na wa jore. Eya na je force jewelry.
Because the society do banya aseri. But so zip area.
Zip area.
But so a size na ye through camera. Size yan. Oso no very ona. Iku ni majo keke ma ve oteme ke na te.
Uponu we se masazi we ma. Uponu yi go bie yesi.
Mu pon we le gbe na we so for no ma ona la ona ela. Ni me seri o ma la. Ini go ya wa ya bid e kekan. Almost 300 or something. We only the bidding. Na ya sero.
O ma ti we ba.
Mo ele ba.
E fo what it to.
In a way, man, no ya shebi me like kume. Mo ye ko, mo pay or mo pay ya. They sit at home. You understand? So no nani me tama when I we prove go we nani. Because Wukia lava is not allowed. O ma be to abi ya shebi. When my pege my ya shebi my head. You know the fear. You go use other clock come and say be where design. I don't need that like that to area to prevent to send you back. What do I wear? And you did get you carry area because I don't want anybody wear cause well. I will not see a man no yet. I should be safe from head to toe. What is wrong with you? What is
wrong with you?
We are party do our own start.
Lare shashana OVJ I want to know. Even if they are cousin, but in OVJ, you will still ask what is wrong with you. Somebody who have bought sold your clothes with 500k and bought their shebi from you 140 and bought a flight ticket and book a hotel and you are asking her what is wrong with her.
Back. What do I wear? I don't get you carry every because I don't want anybody where cause well. I will not see can no crack no yet. I should be yourself from head to toe. What is wrong with you? Why doesn't we family now? Are you we are party do our own that I use as a bin ya design egg baby? What are you saying? There lao chocha e provoke me there. E provoke me there lao. Every Mia kare na na
power tap na muna power tap
to black proof. Ever asie na so ninyo. Niya editai. And we're telling me I beg me away with social media.
Okay.
My brother.
So if you do wagimahe we now let's come to Obo. We need to play Obo video before I start picking call. Let me see this person. Obo. This agbo wa Obo erosi wa offended wo yahia.
I will not run after you, but be very, very. She's an evil woman, a leader of human traffickers in the Netherlands. But Princess Adesagbo, be very, very careful. The person bring your case to my table, I will escort you enter prison as a human trafficker that you are. I cannot run after you now because of your younger brother or senior brother, I don't know. I think it's your younger brother, Jeff. I will not run after you, but be very, very careful. Say, anything when you make person mistake in this country, say, you are this and that, I will escort you enter that prison. So now, I want people to be careful. Be careful in everything you do in life, even when somebody is too close to you or too far to you. I want to talk about one stupid, useless woman who called herself Princess Adesagbo. Very useless. She based in this country, Netherlands. Very useless. See, my people, if money there with you, be careful. No let her finish before you be careful. And not be everybody when invite you, not be there. Some people invite you for you to be attacked. I don't know if you know this. Not everybody when invite you for love. When they are looking for where to harm you, they not see. When they want to party, they will invite you, call you daddy, call you mommy, thinking that thing they plan against you can happen through that party. They don't know say I strong person. This stupid woman, she calls herself Princess Adesagbo. Knows everybody can answer anything they like in abroad. She want to do marriage. When we do with Ekmo, you cannot say no girls man. You know whatever girls man. Stupid people like that don't need husband. I don't know her from anywhere. He used phone disturb me. Say I'm the father of the day. Where are you doing the marriage? He say Nigeria. Nigeria, now you make me father of the day. Younger brother or senior brother. I think it's your younger brother, Jeff. I will not run after you, but be very, very careful. Say anything when you make person mistake in this country, say you are this and that, I will escort you enter that prison. So now, I want people to be careful. Be careful in everything you do in life, even when somebody is too close to you or too far to you. I want to talk about one stupid, useless woman who called herself Princess Adesagbo. Very useless. She based in this country, Netherlands. Very useless. See, my people, if money there with you, be careful. No let her finish before you be careful. And not be everybody when invite you, not be there. Some people invite you for you to be attacked. I don't know if you know this. Not everybody when invite you for love. When they are looking for where to harm you, they
go for father of the day.
When they want to party, they will invite you, call you daddy, call you mommy, thinking that thing they plan against you can happen through that party. They don't know say I strong person. This stupid woman, she calls herself Princess Adesagbo. Knows everybody can answer anything they like in abroad. She want to do marriage. When we do with Ekmo, you cannot say no girls man. You know whatever girls man. Stupid people like that don't need husband. I don't know her from anywhere. He used phone disturb me. Say I'm the father of the day. Where are you doing the marriage? He say Nigeria. Nigeria, now you make me father of the day. That is how to buy ticket and come to Nigeria. This woman not they let me sleep. The way would they call myself? It will come be like say we get waiting with they do. He send me the IV, this and that. Daddy. Which day I born this kind of picking when I don't know? You wahala too much. He consulted and maybe father of the day say what happen. I can't agree. I buy.
I bet Mona power time for me for TikTok. Mona power time.
I go to Nigeria, not even in Lagos. Can't be Benin. And me, I know they move alone. I must move with convoy, mobile police, bodyguard, friends. That's why they move. Even with the video myself will see enter the motor. That's how I move my movement.
Mommy Susie, the building. I sight you, mama.
Reaching Lagos, he never end there. We have to set the day aside of the party. We go to Benin. I lodge in a hotel. I will upload the video either this week since she's a talk about person to this week now. I will upload the video. I still have one of the videos.
Oh, my brother.
I arrived Benin. In that show, I even met Akabama and the son, friends and some other artists. If I upload on Agosian, back when I take carry money, my bodyguard I the whole land. If that was a 100 bundle. If I spray fish, I'll do her like this, go back. They'll give me. She need down like better person. Daddy. Do you know, right? I never marry you. But to come carry call that same phone when Adesagbon they disturb me. Till today as I speak, I thought she's even dead. To carry phone come say, thanks for coming. I dey wait. From thanks for coming no day, I can't want to do marriage. I can't answer. I dey wait. Even though she not come for abroad, she say, congratulations.
I greet you, Melissa Pilode.
I dey wait. I can't do marriage because I get her matter for mind. For me to travel because of somebody, her matter they ring for my head. I can't wait. I can't do the marriage. I can't do video for her head. The same way they do now. Till today, I say, this woman die. So anytime when I remember, say, how can I just travel? Somebody I don't know who pretend to be like daddy. I can't make videos so because why they take easy with I get one of his brother, Jeff, DJ Jeff, they responsible. Come make videos so that one can come in one time and say priest. Make I just forgive. I said, your sister must use her mouth. Call me. It's compulsory. So I can't say suspend that. But now they see another people they talk say now grateful person. I say those people not lie now. The woman are useless woman or grateful woman, Princess Adesagmo. That's why I'm out for her. So my people, keep your money to yourself. Money not they cry for bank. Don't take a risk of visiting people. They are all anyhow people. Mostly visiting somebody for long distance. I do traditional marriage. I do wait for useless Adesagmo to come. I do introduction, I do marriage. Good things happen to me. A lot that need congratulations. I'm still waiting. Even what people thought is bad thing, because bad thing has never happened to me. My disappointment has always been a success. I'm still waiting for that stupid woman. I thought she's dead though. That's why I can't see her for social media that they post a picture, whether birthday say this woman still there, like very useless, ungrateful human being. When the husband will marry, he now so waiting rose things say for 2 minutes. Now he do her husband, the Ekman man will marry, use and turn toy. The marriage not even last a year. Oh. The marriage just lasted for a few months. Oh. You are no good, there's nothing you can do about it. Their marriage did not last a year. What is a year? I think a month to 3 months, now their marriage lasts. And I'm thinking she's still a single person now. She was one single before that man go put in her thing, say one thing. You could be single because the character when you dey exhibit outside, there is no way you will not exhibit and stand to your man inside. At this segment, you are very useless. You are useless. No, be the human trafficker when they look for my enemy head. But when it comes to money, you no come talk, say, you no go invite or you no go call daddy or mommy. So after I don't finish with you now, grease your creation. Make lubricants. With money, with my influence. You can't remember, say you are a human trafficker, that I am your enemy. I don't want to swear for you, but I reach one I'll still swear for you.
Please, don't swear for her.
Whether your old age, you go open and take beg me, tell me, thank you for coming to your occasion, thanks for spending. I was not the passers passing by at this segment. You invited me from Netherlands to Nigeria. I was not like, oh, what is going on here today? It's a party, let's party. No, it wasn't let's party. It was an invitation with your knees on the ground. Ingrate. People are not saying the same thing about you. I just want to concur with them that is, you are even worse than what they thought you are. Idiot. See, look now they take them from a rich party. No, they eat anyhow. If you want to eat for house. And if you want to eat in party, go the one when they give you, leave and go take the one where you just did when they don't give you. Where they say, just stand there, hey, give me 1 or 2 things there. The one they can't give you with respect, no eat. Just imagine as a day Sagmo be now be devil. I reach Nigeria that I would say now white mind you get. You can't give me food, daddy. And I can't eat that. No, say that the human trafficking child lady where they look for my enemy head though. You know go know. Thank God I know they eat anywhere. Me. You see me eat for party, no matter what I wear, you know say I can't go carry that food there. And I no trust anybody say don't see me eat for party. Since 1995, say I sit down public, I dey eat. I've done it before and I will tell you the answer. I dey call name. I dey do video. They throw juju for my food anyhow. Thank God my mama still there alive. Now something they make something strong. Let me tell you, you feel bump as a native doctor, may you not make it strong. But when something they happen, you go can't remember. Say, may I put this one for your body. I go hot, they put juju for my food. My mama would mind it. Then I will hear me. It's same way the house.
Mama Susie.
They say they call it Idiogbe house.
Power tap.
Then they do a lokun. Now with the video, I not be say, now me they cover anything. Not be today I start. They carry me. So the video, they can't eat. We newly come for us the money, they don't cook. Hey, mona can't eat, no bag of can't eat. They just go carry food, put for room. They'll come over there first. Come now, I can't eat. Me and my boy, when I can even say na my oga, but you see, oga can't become boy, but I still respect my oga. My story long. I can call her my boy, I can call her my oga, but they call her my oga. Me and my oga, because how I still learn this work. As my mama brings somebody from Ajebor, when they work for Asaboro TV station. Now he can't teach me video for me initial. If I can't talk how many months I will serve her, I will give her work. He go plus money we will pay. Now for my wife, he can't teach me, but he can't use that out my
work. I know sort of boy or Bona my brother.
I'll the servant. Now me the pretty work. So to cut the story short, when me can't stand on my own, he no fit go work there for Asian where. He can't agree to they follow me go work. I can't dey pay. See my master can't become my oga. So that day now, my oga, now we follow go eat your house where they say mo can't eat. They carry the rice they put for ground. I carry spoon. My oga, my boy carry spoon. As we dey eat at the same time, waiting at the feet, now the guy dey feet. From my tongue, reach my belly, reach my anus, he dey scratch
golden
me.
unstoppable.
Not outside, inside. Because he dey scratch. We can't scratch it. We are scratching from inside. The poison food give us. This is not one man witness, 2 person. The same way he scratch me from here. Oh my man, inside where the food pass with the feeler, we want like we are running mad. We can't scratch it. Have you ever experienced in your life say something they scratch you for inside belly? This is that was the first and the last time. The same thing me and my oga they pass through. Thank God my mama they alive. We carry machine, ladies machine, we take come, we enter, we ride machine. Go ever to because that happen never hit me. Go meet my mother. My mother they has never not go anywhere that day. My mama give us error. If the rush person come and ask, he must get what he will first give you drink. Whether na snake bite you, whether na anything, whether na poison, just name it. My mother must first get one pot where we carry come, give you drink. They call error. Mama give us that thing drink. As mama give us drink, the same way we feel like when I saw that thing they go nah, like they wash and throw away. Because they scratch us for anus. The same way they scratch me for anus. That's what that guy said they scratch him for anus. We don't go toilet, we can't go the shit. So to cut the story short. Since then, if you like, no banga picking a special food be this so I bet we I know they eat. That was around 97, 98 though. I know they eat. So now, if you go person party, they say can't take food. If it's possible for you not to eat, don't eat. Just for instance, now this useless woman, Princess Ajebor, as they set me up, they say, don't worry, go come because that time they fight human trafficking here, but I still go. Don't worry, we'll come, we'll set them up here, we'll go fire here. You should be able to know for this woman to hate me after I came and I went there and I survived. It's a hatred. Say, this man escaped bullets. He escaped bullet because they set me up. She didn't invite me for love. She did not invite me for love because they could not harm me. Then she became my enemy till today. She's an evil woman, a leader of human traffickers in the Netherlands. But Princess Adesagmo, be very, very careful. The person bring your case to my table, I will escort you enter prison as a human trafficker that you are. I cannot run after you now because of your younger brother.
You don't finish. So anybody that wants to call, you are very free to call. But before anybody call, a lot of record they hear. A lot of people complain about gold issue. It's going to be depends on me if I am going to continue talking about Adesagmo or Rose. Sorry, because people said Adesagmo is her father's name, so I have to put respect on that name, not Adesagmo Rose Society. If I will continue to let the whole world know what she's doing, she's not doing it good. But we also make a decision to it's none of my business. But in Olita, idole video na doya in Rose Society, popularly known as Echo Star. Echo Star la woke back ba dolu nyime weji owe dolu nyime yo mo na ye do alegbo e zan give be o wodo wero wodo now, but ye dolu nyime ji na ye do alegbo e zan ye gi egbe we. Good name is always better than riches. Princess Rose Osareti, don't value gold more than your integrity. If you value gold, try to maintain and safeguard your personality and your integrity. It will help you because of your children. Because if you are letting me know, mostly me, Mr. Ramiya Wefe, that because of a good dinano fee, Wukiena, or phone name the Dagmo, when you don't know important with Dagmo, it means you don't know what you are doing. No, those see no na yozan, give parting where you got it over the nena. If case not taking a invite to leg boy now, I have few no gear. Have a prominent person. No way, no do more, no day ticket, no more hotel, just because to honor you. Because of your ignorance. Because to mami 100 euro in a papilo, to mami 150 in a app man. It was a result of your attitude. Indiscipline. Unyime no magba. No magwe tuta yo word over the nena. Udo lose e no kamikowe. Dowe agogo wagmo. Na ye nioma. Na ya giemi no ma. Just look at the parable you use your mother to give when you were sending a voice note to a woman in UK, or because of your party. Iye no nyegbe biwe on your ibali mese. Una type we record anywhere. Or ije me no I don't care, we send her we la me party. Una mi amia we mi yogi na we yo ma ijo ma. Una mi amia we emeve ni ijo ma korion se ijo ma. Ije mo some Ijo vio gwe biomade, ama we jwe vio gwe a rose. According to the people that call me today, they say your mother, she's very beautiful. Você woman I love you. Você uwe igwe you we sin ye fear. Abi why on wagbona ena? The same you all book we are bieva. Ohama mori ma gbekwo we. Una mopia okbiaro na salu bieva yo wow. Where am dovo wow we book we are biwe. When we are talking about this issue no kind of dog. Some of you will think where Adua na ya more common. No. At all. At all. Because no soon over there to make back here. All of okay soon. Make back here will not take papilo or the go in there. Even to your brothers, that are 20 kone. In have it papilo or te hapma, in pay, in a queen is staying in a law be. Uji got in with partine. Udo de 250 euro. Udo rio zana. Udo rie gig boy. Then why would I bring your social media way and popular? What are you talking about? What type of popular? You don't know what you are talking about, Rose. Okay, why Tony, Ufi, well, market near na lie, you they pretend. Ugmeso le day agbesi, inu ban we ne by 100. Inu ban we ne ugmeso by 100. Agage na ni ewewa. I pretend. Because I neru na ge lode vetenemi wi. Please change your character. Aragi obo, aragi soe. Owana sweni obada, aragi o enoje. Ana sweni meo, amie yao oefe. Amie yao meo, osano kioduwa. Eros, uwuwo eco star. Una gima.